Morning, everybody. It's 8:30 on this Super Tuesday, primary day. It is March the 5th, and this is your opening comment video number 2097. Okay, so we have no big economic numbers before the open, although we do have some stuff coming in a little while. That would be, let's see, that would be. Um, ISM. It would also be, let's just make sure I have this right. Yeah, we have February ISM at 10. We have February S&P Global at 945. That's a services PMI. And we also have January factory orders also at 10. Asia and Europe are mixed. Asia is very mixed. Part of it is up, and the Hang Seng is down 2.6%, which is kind of a big chunk. And Europe is very lightly changed, so we'll call that mixed. Here at home, the stock futures are down 110 in the Dow, down 102 in the NASDAQ, and down about 18 and a half in the S&P. We had earnings this morning from Target, and they were a beat, even though their same store sales were actually lower. But the guidance is good, and as I said, beat both top and bottom. The stock is 162.51. That's up $12 and change, and that's 7.91%. Uh, we have Apple, which was down 4% yesterday. Pardon me, 2.5% yesterday, and is down an additional 2.25% today, 171.20 down 390. Albemarle, this is a lithium mining company primarily, 123.59. That's down 961 or 7.2%. Also, GitLabs, GTLB. Um, Also with a miss. The stock closed yesterday at 74.47. This morning it's been as low as 55.60. Last is 57.26. That's down 17.22 or 23%. Another one that carried over from yesterday is Tesla. Was down 14 and a half yesterday, is down another 5. Uh, on the low, the last is 183, and that is down $2.05. Sofi is down. This is a fairly big move. The stock was as high as 913 just yesterday morning, and as low today as 760. I mean, that's really quite a move. The only news that there is that they are doing a $750 million convertible notes deal, and so that has been pushing the stock lower. As I said, last is now 785. That's down 73 cents or another 8.5% after yesterday. Okay, the chart on the screen is the bonds, and they look like they are about to break to the upside. In fact, um, since we had this big reversal day back in February, actually the 13th, the day before Valentine's Day, we went from up to down, and that down was almost 2 full points. Since then, we've been consolidating across. This is a daily. We hit this red line, which is the 100-day moving average, and now we've turned up. On Friday, we were very strong into the close. Inside day yesterday. This morning, it is up a full point and looking just a little bit stronger than this 200-day MA. We're between the 200-day and the 50-day, so we'll see if this continues. We did have that crossover on Friday. As far as other markets, we have the gold slightly higher, 1170. It's been all over the place. Silver up 33 cents. Energy is very weak this morning. We have the oil down $1.11, which is a pretty hefty move. After yesterday's down $1.23, we have heating oil down. We have gasoline down 3.6 cents. And that gas, which has been acting much better, giving back about a point and a half, penny and a half, 192, 190.02, and that's down 1.4 cents. We have the cotton down, we have the coffee unchanged, we have the sugar up a little bit. It's been down pretty hard. We have Bitcoin still hovering solidly over 68,000, 375 with a high of 69,600. I believe that the high there is 69,860, so just under 70,000. Ethereum up 187.50 at 38.20. We have a position in Ethereum. I think we have 300 shares, and that is strongly higher. And we have the bonds, as I said, up one. Okay, another look at the futures. We have the Dow down 125. We have the NASDAQ down 110, and we have the S&P down about 20. All right, folks, we'll be back later. Have a good morning and be careful out there.